Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering materials. 6-strand embroidery thread in your color choices, a size 5 or 6 sewing needle, fabric glue, scissors, felt, or a nylon stocking for a cap, and pins. Measure the doll head circumference and decide hair length. Cut each bundle 2 times the radius plus 5 cm beyond the hairline so you can fold or knot the root. For a full wig, plan 120 to 200 cm of thread per wig, depending on thickness. Prepare a base cap from 2 to 3 layers of felt, or stocking for stability and glue adhesion. Work in rows. Create thread bundles by folding strands in half and tying a single overhand, not 3 to 5 mm from the fold to form the root. Attach bundles by looping the folded root under the needle and pulling through the cap, then knot or tie every 5 to 8 mm along the part line for even density. Use fabric glue sparingly, about a rice grain size drop per knot, to secure roots to the cap. For a sewn wig, stitch a 1 cm wide weft using 2 mm spaced backstitches or whip stitches to anchor rows. After attachment, comb and trim the hair slowly. Use sharp shears and cut 1 to 2 mm at a time for blunt ends, or remove 1/4 inches progressively for layered texture. To finish ends, seal with a dab of clear fabric glue or, for synthetic thread, a controlled 1-second heat seal to prevent fraying. Create realistic parting by removing selected rows or sewing a 1.5 to 2 mm wide braid base along the part. Then stitch flyaways down and style with light water mist or a tiny amount of hair gel for hold.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.